Hi, my name is Nur Shafika Farha binti Aziz and I am from Group 1. Today I would like to demonstrate about the comparison between Windows file sharing and FileZilla. For the Windows file sharing, we need to open the file that we want to share, choose the folder, click for the file to be shared, then click share with and choose the specific people, then set it to everyone, then click share. Then it is done to share with others. For receiver, they need to know the IP address of the server, and to check the IP address we need to open the command prompt. In command prompt we type the ipconfig, and this is the IP address for the server. For FileZilla, we need to set the user, click edit, then choose user, add the user and name it as user2 as a normal user, and OK. We click to enable the account and set the password, then add the share folder, choose for your file to be shared, then click OK. And as we can see, it is done sending account setting and it is ready to be shared. For Windows, okay, for FileZilla we need to check by the CMD. We can see here the FileZilla need to enter the user that we have set and the password for the user, so it will enable to share the file. And to check which file that we have shared, we type for dir. From here we can see the document that have in the file that we have shared. Okay, for authentication for the Windows file sharing, it does not require a username for authentication and no user identity is established, while for FileZilla it is required a username and user ID to be established. And for the access control, Windows file sharing need to know the IP address to be open, and it is more easy to use, while for the FileZilla it need to know the IP address, the user name, the password, and it is more complicated to use. For data confidentiality for the Windows file sharing, everyone can access to the file that we have shared if they have the IP address. And for the FileZilla, only for receiver that we have set can use the file that we have shared. For For data integrity, for Windows file sharing, nobody can access if they do not have the IP address, and for the FileZilla, they cannot be accessed if they are not being set. Windows file sharing, it have the non-repudiation, and also FileZilla have the non-repudiation. That's it can be choose how the user want to use the file, like to be written or read or delete or as they wish. So as the conclusion, the FileZilla is the best tools to be used for file sharing if we look for the data confidentiality and data integrity. But if we choose for access control, the Windows file sharing is more easy to use.